In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a caulking gun like a pro so you can seal up those annoying gaps around your windows, doors, and bathrooms to keep drafts and water damage out for good. Alright, first things first, you gotta pick the right caulk for the job. Silicone caulk is great for bathrooms and kitchens because it handles moisture like a champ, but acrylic latex caulk works better for indoor trim and windows since it's easier to paint over. Next, cut the tip of the caulk tube at a 45-degree angle. This helps you control how much caulk comes out. Don't forget to puncture the inner seal inside the nozzle with a long nail or a wire. Otherwise, nothing's gonna come out when you squeeze. When you load the tube into the caulking gun, make sure it's locked in tight so it doesn't slip while you're working. Start applying the caulk by holding the gun at a steady angle, moving slowly and evenly along the gap. If you mess up or put down too much caulk, dip your finger in some water and smooth it out right away before it dries. That little trick makes a huge difference. Once you're done, clean off any excess caulk with a damp cloth and let it dry fully before touching or painting over it. One of the biggest mistakes I see is cutting the tip too big right away, which leads to way too much caulk and a messy job. Fix that by starting small and cutting more if you need to. Another common issue is not cleaning the surface before caulking. If there's dirt or old caulk left over, your new seal won't stick properly, so always scrape and wipe down first. Lastly, people rush through applying the caulk and don't smooth it out, leaving gaps or uneven spots. Just take your time and use that wet finger trick to get a nice clean line. If you're looking for reliable help with home projects like sealing or bigger jobs, bighomeprojects.com is where I usually tell folks to go. It connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and helps contractors find steady work without all the hassle of hunting gigs on their own.